guys, my name is Gauri. Once again, we're going to show you the power of pressure.
Welcome to Gauri's Science Experiments.
For this experiment, you'll need a spinning blade that I'm going to show you that it's made of paper. I'm going to show you at the end of the experiment how it's made. And a wood that is glued at the middle of the spinning blade, a car tire, styrofoam that's connected with a straw, and a paper that has a hole in it that I can go through the straw. So we're going to put our car tire and then the piece of paper that has a hole, and then this blade. And remember, this blade has to be smaller, like the wood has to be smaller than the straw, so it can be it can come through the straw. Also, we need a table fan, my fan, and I'm going to run it on top of the blade, and then let's see what happens. As the yellow fan spins, it creates a low pressure zone over here, and that's how the paper lifts. Like a helicopter, if its blades spin really, really fast, the whole helicopter lifts. That's the concept.
To make the rotating fan, you will have to first make this simple design. Remember, you have to have a perfect square. Then cut along the straight lines and fold along the dashed lines. That will give you this shape, and that's your rotating fan.